Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, 512GB, unlocked Android smartphone, featuring the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and a next-level AI night mode camera. If you're considering upgrading to the S25 Ultra in 2025, watch until the end so you can decide if this flagship deserves your hard-earned money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for clean, honest tech reviews every week. Design and display. Starting with design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra continues Samsung's sleek, premium build with its matte glass back and titanium frame. It feels sturdy but light enough for daily use. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display offers stunning colors, deep blacks, and a 144Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling, whether you're gaming, watching HDR movies, or editing on the go. Performance: Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Under the hood, you've got the Snapdragon 8 Elite, delivering insane speeds for multitasking, gaming, and 4K video editing on the fly. Apps open instantly, gaming is lag-free, and you can comfortably edit photos and videos without slowdowns. AI Night Mode Camera. Let's talk about the star of the show, the AI Night Mode camera system. The quad camera system includes a 200MP primary sensor, ultra-wide, periscope telephoto, and macro, all optimized by Samsung's AI Night Mode for low-light photography. You can capture detailed shots in near darkness with accurate colors and minimal noise, making it perfect for night city shots, concerts, or travel vlogging. Video also benefits with improved stabilization and low-light clarity. Battery life and charging. The S25 Ultra packs a 5,500 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day of heavy use with fast 65W charging and 30W wireless charging to top up quickly. Pros: stunning dynamic AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate. AI Night Mode camera system that excels in low light. Snapdragon 8 Elite delivers fast, smooth performance. 512GB storage for creators, photographers, and power users. All-day battery with fast charging. Con: premium price point. Large size may be too bulky for some users. No included charger in the box. Who should buy this? If you're a content creator, power user, mobile gamer, or want the best camera phone for low-light photography, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the top flagship choices in 2025. Check it out here, affiliate link. Using this link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps us continue to bring you honest, clutter-free reviews. Question of the day: what's your top priority in a phone, camera, display, or battery life? Comment below and let's chat. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the latest tech reviews, comparisons, and buyer guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.